Okay.
Okay. So, good morning. As being the college of pharmacy, we do really have a challenge as to the inventory of our apparatus as well as the chemicals. So, we really need your help so that everything will be in place.
So, how does the research center laboratories currently manage them?
The in charge of our laboratory is doing manual inventory. So, since it is manual, specific other problems that I've encountered is there's no proper monitoring of the inventory as to the quantity that is being released and the quantity that is being left in the storeroom. So it can affect the students in their laboratory because sometimes the reagent is already out of stock. So by that, we really need proper inventory so that it can easily be monitored how much is the chemicals that has been released or that has been used, and then there's still there's still chemicals found in the stock room. So what types? Kitchen ko?
Kami magkasalag sa ano.
Sige.
So, what feature would you like in the system? What feature would you like in the system?
I do not know. I'm not familiar with the system. So I cannot answer you. As long as we can monitor the arrival, so the quantity of the arrival, the quantity that is being already used. So we can see clearly the total amount that is or number of apparatus that are already present na agad magamit na nila.
So, would you be open, ma'am, to the testing of a prototype, ma'am, and would be giving a feedback, ma'am, if we already made a system for the inventory, ma'am?
So we will be giving feedback
Yes,
right after you can formulate or
Yes,
you can offer your system or laboratory. Okay, that would be okay for us so that we can assess if there's still problem that we can encounter or whatever be the benefits that we can get from your end or from the system that you offer to us.
So, thank you again for sharing your insight with us. Your input is incredibly valuable and it helps us understand how we can create a system that truly benefits the department. We'll take all of this information into account as we move forward with our project. If you have any additional suggestions or requirements later on, we're happy to come up. We appreciate your time and we look forward to collaborating with you. Thank you.
Thank you also.
So, thanks.
Bless you.
Bye ka po na.